Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make scrambled eggs like restaurants. First, choose fresh, high-quality eggs. They truly make a difference. Crack 3 to 4 eggs into a bowl and whisk them gently with a fork or whisk until the yolks and whites are just barely combined. For an extra creamy texture, add about 1 tablespoon of milk or cream to the mixture before cooking. Now for the cooking process. Heat a non-stick pan over low to medium-low heat with a small amount of butter or oil. Pour in your egg mixture. Stir continuously with a rubber spatula, gently scraping the bottom and sides of the pan. This slow cooking method ensures small, soft curds. Cook for about 3 to 5 minutes, removing them from the heat just before they are fully set. The final touches are crucial for restaurant-quality eggs. Once off the heat, season your scrambled eggs with a pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper. Adding a small pat, about 1/2 tablespoon, of cold butter at this stage will melt into the eggs, giving them a beautiful sheen and an incredibly rich, velvety texture. Serve them immediately to enjoy their warmth and perfect consistency. To achieve consistently amazing scrambled eggs, remember a few key tips. First, never overcook them. They should be moist and creamy, not dry or rubbery. High heat is the enemy, as it makes eggs tough and creates large, uneven curds. Always use a good non-stick pan to prevent sticking and make cleanup a breeze. Follow these steps for perfect scrambled eggs every time.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.